Unveiling the top 5 wonders of Gilgit, nature and culture combined. 1. Experience breathtaking landscapes in Gilgit, where towering peaks meet serene valleys. 2. Immerse yourself in the rich cultural heritage, blending traditions from various ethnic groups. 3. Engage in thrilling adventures like trekking, mountain climbing, and river rafting. 4. Savor delicious local cuisine, featuring unique flavors and traditional dishes. 5. Visit historic sites like Baltit Fort, showcasing Gilgit's fascinating history and architecture. Join us for more amazing travel insights and adventures.